The facelifted 2019 Toyota Vios was recently launched in Malaysia, and today we're at Toyota's showroom to take a closer look. Yes, you heard me right. This is a facelift. A major one, I might add. The new Vios now wears the fascia of the Yaris Active sedan that our friends in Thailand and Singapore are familiar with. Personally, I quite like the new design. It's certainly sportier than the pre-facelift model and looks much more mature than other rivals of the segment thanks to this tail lamp design. It gives the car a much wider stance on the road. There are three variants of the 2019 Vios on sale. On this top-of-the-line G-Spec variant, you get halogen projector headlamps with LED daytime running lights, chrome plating on the front grille, front fog lamps, door visors, LED combination tail lamps, 16-inch dual-tone alloys wrapped in 195/50 profile tyres as well as rear disc brakes. The J and E grade variant settles for halogen reflector headlamps with LED daytime running lights, rear drum brakes and smaller 15-inch alloys wrapped in 185/60 profile rubbers. On this entry-level J-Spec, you get halogen combination tail lamps and loosens out on the front fog lamps and power folding function for the side mirrors. But it's not all bad news because UMW Toyota has announced during the launch that the 5-piece aero kit consisting of the front and rear lip, side skirts and rear spoiler will be standard across all variants. If you opt for the red mica metallic exterior colour, you get the pin striping around the aero kit in black, while the rest of the colour palette gets a red pin striping instead. The 2019 Vios still uses the same platform as before, as such there are no changes in key dimension figures. Boot space is still rated at 506 litres, not bad for a B-Segment Sedan, but the Honda City's boot space is still best in class, larger than the Vios by 30 litres. The cabin is also a breath of fresh air with a more contemporary layout and modern touches here and there. For starters, on this range-topping model, you get a new leather-wrapped multifunctional steering wheel with pedal shifters. Unfortunately, you still don't get telescopic adjustment. Optitron instrument cluster with TFT multi-info display, 6.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with 6 speakers, digital panel automatic climate control, as well as premium security and solar tinting films. You also get new leather seats with better shoulder support, great for long journeys. On lower grade models, you get fabric seats, a 4-speaker setup, as well as analog instrument cluster with multi-info display. One thing I must note in the facelifted Vios is due to the new dashboard architecture, Toyota has sadly removed the clever, retractable cup holders where you can place your drinks right in front of the air vents to chill it. It was a unique touch which I felt separated the Vios from the rest of its rivals. Interior space is still the same as before, decent headroom and knee room, but you still don't get rear air vents, only 2 USB charging ports back here. UMW Toyota has dropped the 5-speed manual option altogether, so now all variants of the facelifted Vios gets a 2NR FE 1.5-litre naturally aspirated 4-cylinder dual VVTi engine and CVT combo. It pushes out 107 horsepower and 140 Nm of torque to drive the front wheels. Toyota has also introduced a new drive mode selector that alters the engine and transmission mapping between Eco, Normal and Sport. Finally, all variants of the facelifted Vios now comes with 7 airbags, vehicle stability control, hill start assist control and ISOFIX mounting points, which backs the car full 5-star ASEAN NCAP rating. On the higher grade E and G variants, you get additional 360-degree camera, front digital video recorder or dash cam, and blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. Prices for the facelifted Vios starts from 77,200 ringgit for the 1.5J, 81,200 ringgit for the 1.5E, and 87,300 ringgit for the range-topping 1.5G. Every purchase of a new Vios comes with a 5 years unlimited mileage warranty. For more information on the facelifted Toyota Vios, do log on to AutoBuzz.my. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Click on the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video. As always, thanks for watching. My name is Adrian and I'll see you guys in the next video.